Today, we're going to talk about an important topic that every crypto beginner should be aware of: avoiding crypto scams. In this video, we'll share some common scams you may encounter and give you practical tips to stay safe in the world of cryptocurrencies. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with all things crypto. Common crypto scams. Let's start by discussing some common crypto scams you might come across. 1. Phishing scams. These scams involve criminals posing as legitimate websites or companies to steal your personal information and login credentials. 2. Ponzi schemes. Here, scammers promise high returns on investment, but they rely on new investors' money to pay earlier investors. 3. Fake ICOs, initial coin offerings. Scammers create fake ICOs to lure investors into buying non-existent tokens with the promise of high returns. 4. Pump and dump schemes. In these scams, a group of people manipulate the price of a cryptocurrency by hyping it up, and then sell their holdings at a high price, leaving unsuspecting investors with losses. 5. Fake giveaways. Scammers pretend to be well-known figures or companies, offering free cryptocurrency in exchange for a small deposit. Tips to stay safe. Now that you're aware of these common scams, here are some tips to help you stay safe in the crypto world. 1. Do your own research. Always research a project, team, or exchange before investing. Look for credible sources of information and read reviews from other users. 2. Use secure websites. Double-check website URLs and look for the padlock symbol in your browser, indicating the site is secure with SSL encryption. 3. Keep your private keys safe. Never share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone. Store them offline in a safe place. 4. Be cautious with ICOs. Research the project and its team, and read the white paper carefully. Look for any red flags, such as unrealistic promises or lack of information. 5. Use two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enable 2FA on all your accounts to add an extra layer of security. 6. Verify giveaways. Be skeptical of any giveaway claims. Check the official social media accounts of the person or company involved to verify the giveaway's authenticity. By staying vigilant and following these safety tips, you can protect yourself from falling victim to crypto scams. Remember, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends who are new to cryptocurrencies. Until next time, stay safe and happy investing.